Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz G550. This SUV came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Okay, I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. Okay, this fender looks spotless and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver's side doors. The front and back door look good. I do not see no dents or scratches at all on here. Now we're going to have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. Okay, this quarter panel looks perfect and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the SUV. Okay, the spare tire cover is in good condition. Also, the trunk and back bumper are perfect as well. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side doors. The front and back door are in excellent condition. They have no scratches or dents at all. Now we're going to have a look at the last fender and wheel, and this fender looks perfect, no scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And first we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Okay, I'm not seeing any wear on there at all. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. There's no wear and tear there at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Excellent. So the passenger side is in good condition as well. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Okay, everything here looks perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Excellent. Also, this car has navigation and backup camera. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. Last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.